Alright guys, I got another knife I want to share. Picked up my first ZT knife. Built like a tank. Proudly overbuilt in the USA. And on the side it says a real beast. This right here is the ZT-0200. Fucking love this thing. It's awesome. This is Ken Onion design. Serial number 12319. 154 cm steel. It's actually the same steel as my Leatherman Charge here. 154 cm. This knife is pretty big. It's I guess it'd be considered a drop point. It has a recurve blade. It's like a nice swedge here, kind of. This is dual thumb studs, left or right. There's the jimping on it. It's pretty well executed. Got a nice ZT pocket clip. The jimping on this, the G10 scales on this knife are pretty aggressive. More than any other knife I got. It has a lanyard. This is a quad carry knife. You can carry it up, tip down, tip up, left or right. It happens to come tip down. Usually carry tip up, but it's cool though. I'm probably gonna leave it like that. I like to keep them original, you know. This knife has a liner lock. It's probably about 30%. It's pretty good. Nice one. Got some skeletonized or jimping on the liner there. This knife has the thickest liner I've ever seen on a knife. Super thick liners. Flow through construction there. You can see where they milled it out. There's the lock up there. Pretty perfect. Like I said, this knife could be deployed either thumb studs or the flipper. Like, you could barely have to flip this thing to open it. It rides on two phosphorus bronze washers in there. It's a really nice knife. I don't got no paper right here to cut anything, but it's super sharp. The pivot bolt here is huge. It actually takes a 3/8 socket. So it's pretty different for me. I'm usually used to the Torx. Here's the D10 on it. Focus. There we go. It's a pretty nice knife. I think it's a 4-inch blade. The overall around 9 inches. This weighs 8 ounces. So about a ½ pound there weight. Don't really bother me too much. I like heavy knives. Feels awesome in the hand. It's got really good ergonomics. Really fits really well. I think that's pretty much it. freaking love this thing. So if you like this kind of stuff, go check it out. ZT-0200. There's a lot of reviews on this knife, huh? It's pretty much it's like a classic. It's been out for a while. Alright guys, thanks for watching.